Hello friends, how are you doing today? Hope you are doing good. So today I'm going to tell you how to optimize Windows 10 for gaming. So before we actually start the guide, we have to check if there is any update in our Windows 10. For that we'll click on Start, go to Settings, now scroll below, click on Update and Security, and click on Check for Update. So if there is any update, you have to complete it, and if there is no update, your computer is absolutely fine. Now let's move on. So number 1, increase your VRAM cause many games require 4 GB plus VRAM. So you have to increase your VRAM. Now, number 2, you have to right click on this PC, go to Properties. On the left pane, click on Advanced System Settings. Under Performance, click Settings. Click on Advanced. Click Change. If your automatically manage paging file size for all drives is checked, you have to uncheck that. Select Custom Size. And here under initial size you have to put 8192. Also in maximum size you have to put 8192. Now once you are done, you have to click on OK, and you have to click on OK again, so you have to restart your PC once you do that, and you can apply it. Now moving on to the third option. You have to right click on this PC again, click on Properties, click on Advanced System Settings. Under Performance, click on Settings. Now under Visual Effects, you have to select Adjust for Best Performance and then Apply and click on OK. So your PC will change a little once you apply it. Now moving on to the next option, you have to choose High Performance Power Settings. For that, in your search bar, you have to type Power and Sleep. So you will see Power and Sleep settings. You have to click on that. On the left pane, you have to select Power and Sleep. Scroll below, select Additional Power Settings. Now click on Change Plan Settings. Now for turn off display, you can select either if you have high time, you can select it for 15 minutes. And put the computer to sleep, you have to select Never. You just have to click on Save Changes once you are done. Now moving on to the next option, you have to turn on the game mode. For that, on the search, you have to type Game Mode. So you will see game mode settings. You have to open that. Now if your game mode is off, you just have to turn it on. So moving on to the next option, Defrag. So in the search, you have to type defragmentation. Now you will see C drive. You just have to click on Optimize. So you see it's running. So once it is optimized, you have to close this. Now moving on to the next option, Clear Cache Files. For that, you have to press, in the search bar, you have to type Run. Now here you have to type %temp%. Now if you see so many files are here, you just have to select all of them and delete them. Because these are just temporary files, you can delete them completely. So once the scan is 100% complete, you can close this and use your computer. There are some softwares like LSE, CPU Unparker, which you can install, which will also optimize your Windows 10. So these are few steps that you can use. That's all for today. Thank you. Have a good day.